Let's see how to create a new workbook, insert a new worksheet at the end of existing worksheets, rename Sheet 1 and save the workbook. To create a new workbook, click on the Start button. Point the mouse to All Programs. Click Microsoft Office. Click Microsoft Office Excel 2007. A new workbook as Book 1 is created. To insert a new worksheet at the end of existing worksheets, click on the Insert Worksheet tab at the end of the Sheets tab. A new worksheet with its default name is inserted at the end of existing worksheets. To rename Sheet 1, double-click the Sheet 1 tab. Type the desired name for Sheet 1. To save the workbook, click on the Office button and select Save. Save As dialog box appears. Choose the location and folder in which you want to save the workbook. Double-click the folder to open it. Write the desired file name for the workbook in the File Name combo box. Select the type of workbook from the Save As Type drop-down menu. By default, it is set as Excel Workbook. Click Save to save the workbook and close the Save As dialog box. To summarize, let's see the steps below to create a new workbook, insert a new worksheet, rename a worksheet, and save the workbook. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Point the mouse to All Programs. Step 3. Click Microsoft Office. Step 4. Click Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Step 5. Click on the Insert Worksheet tab at the end of the Sheet tabs. Step 6. Double-click the Sheet 1 tab. Step 7. Type the desired name for Sheet 1. Step 8. Click on the Office button and select Save. Step 9. Choose the location and folder. Step 10. Write file name in the File Name combo box. Step 11. Select the type of the workbook from the Save As Type drop-down list. Step 12. Click Save.